So guys, here is the final hero. This is the Lenovo Legion Slim, which is popular all over the world. Are you excited? Let's unbox this. Okay, after opening this, okay, let's remove this. And this is the main thing. Come, hey, come, bro. Yes. Let's remove this. Yes. Here is the gem. 16-inch Lenovo Legion Slim AMD version 8845HS RTX 4060 140 TGB 165 Hz display and 350 nits brightness. Yes, the champ is here. Okay, let's open this. Dan, dan. Okay, let's remove this, and here is the champion. Let's open this. Oh, RGB lightning. Legion. Have you heard the sound or not? Okay, let's look the settings. It is the AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS. It has the integrated GPU 780M, which is clocked up to 3.8 GHz. This 16GB single channel DDR5 RAM 5600 mAh. So guys, here is the brick, 230 watt, a big brick, and here is the cable. It is 3-pin cable, and after opening this is how the pin looks like. Okay, after removing the wrapper, this is the mouse. It is not the highest in quality, still it is the wire. I need the wireless. And this is the length of the cable. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.